Chemistry of Class 9 Sunflower, and today I am going to show you my project, a maths project which is based on the topic volume. So first let me tell you the definition of volume. A volume of any substance is the space occupied by it in unit meter. Suppose a space occupied by an object is 9 meters. So we can say that the volume of that particular object is 9 meter cube. Different objects have different formulas to find their volume. Such as to find the volume of sphere, we have the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, and to find the volume of a cuboid, we have the formula length into breadth into height. But we all know that these are all theoretically proven, not practically. But today I am going to prove it practically also. So now I will perform an experiment. As you can see, I have 5 glasses. So now I will put the glass in that container and fill it up with the water. Now I will put a tomato in it, which you can say is spherical in shape. You can see some amount of water get out of the glass and get stored in the container. The amount of water get out of the glass and stored in the container is the volume of that tomato. So now I will put that water in a separate glass. Now I will take out the tomato from the water and fill up the glass again with full of water. So now I will put another object, which is an eraser, which is cuboidal in shape. So now I will put that. You can see a very small amount of water get out of the glass and stored in the container. So now I will put that also in a separate glass. Now I will again take out the eraser from the water and fill the glass with water again. Now I will put a bottle in the glass which is cylindrical in shape. You can see a very large amount of water get out of the glass and stored in the container. So now I will also put this water in a separate glass. Now I will again put that, fill the glass with full of water. And now I will take the object lemon, which is also spherical in shape. I have taken the spherical object twice to show that the volume of the object also depend upon its size, and the size of the tomato is greater than the size of the lemon. So now I will put that lemon in the water also. You can see a very small amount of water got out of the glass. Now I will put that in a separate glass. So now I will again take out the lemon from the water. As you can see, I have collected different objects' volume in the glass, in the sense of amount of water got out of the glass. In this glass, you can see a very small amount of water is present. This is the volume of the lemon. In this glass also, you can find a very small amount of water. This is the volume of that eraser. Now in this glass you can see a amount of water is greater than the previously two glasses, and this is the volume of this tomato. And in this glass has the highest amount of water because this is the volume of that bottle, which is cylindrical in shape and it's full of water. So by this I proven practically that different object and different volume. So this was my project on math.